Top 3 fastest shooting Nerf guns in the world. Number 1. The Lepus gun, shown by the YouTuber Mr. Who's the Boss, has 2 wheels inside and can shoot up to 5,000 darts per second, demolishing anyone who doesn't like the video. Number 2. This golden AR-47 model can shoot so fast that not even a real AK-46 has a chance to it. This blaster is made by the company Mini Blaster, which focuses on making realistic toy guns that have actual firing mechanics such as projectile shooting and shell ejaculation. But because they take your Nerf wars to a whole new level, they are only available on my profile.